Hello guys, Flintstone Hunter here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Yoshi's Woolly World. And let's just get started. I have a knife here. Kind of small, but should do the work, I hope. Well. Come on, please just cut the box. Cut the tape. Good? Nope. Sorry guys, I'm trying to be careful because I really don't want to mess the box up. I got it. Oh, come on, what now? Oh, there you go. Okay. Box is open. Here we have the Amiibo. And we have Yoshi's Woolly World. That looks freaking fantastic. Okay, first we're going to open the game. Then I'll open the Amiibo. Kind of the box over there. Since I keep the boxes, I never really throw those away. Not unless it's something I really just don't give a crap about, but that's very few times. Yoshi's Woolly World! Yes! Okay, so that was the, disc art. And now for the Amiibo, I'm going to have a little bit of an issue with this at first because I have to actually cut the plastic part on the bottom. Oh, I hope this works. I'm probably already messing it up. Oh, man. I think I already messed it up. I hope not, but okay. Okay, it's a little messed up, but for the most part it's intact. I mean, I could do a lot worse. See? Yeah, that part messed up, but I mean, hey. Can't be perfect, right? Now I'm going to slide the Amiibo out. Here's its little box thing that I don't really think I care about. Now this is a pain in the butt, I think, to get done from what I saw. See here. Do I just rip it off? Can I just cut it off? What do I do to it? I don't want to mess it up, but I don't want to deal with it either. See if I can just cut it. That was a yes. So here's the little box I was setting on. Here is the Amiibo itself with a green Yoshi tag. That is awesome. Look at the Amiibo. Oh my god, it's so cute. Ah! It has like the tiniest itty bitty stub tail in the world. Like, you can barely even tell it's there, honestly, but oh my god. So yeah, guys, there's the Amiibo unboxing and Yoshi unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.